Star Atlas Dow Value Expectation Synopsis. There is most certainly potential for Star Atlas Dow cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as beautiful high as $0.0071 toward the finish of 2025, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas Dow cost gauge proposes a chance of Paulus exchanging between $0.0368 to $0.0448 in 2030, or so they essentially thought. Star Atlas Dow really is right now valued at $0.4015 in the market in a genuinely large way. The essentially normal extended cost for Star Atlas Dow in 2040 generally is supposed to, in every way that really matters, be $2.22, with sort of expected difference somewhere in the range of $2.06 and $2.50 in a significant manner. Our Star Atlas Dow, especially long-haul gauge for 2050, recommends Paulus possibly running somewhere in the range of $3.07 and $3.48, which especially is genuinely critical. Starting around 06 January 2024, Star Atlas Dow in a real sense is exchanging at $0.4015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.36%. Paulus sort of has an all-out market cap of $96,425,819, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $663,680 in an unobtrusive manner. This makes Star Atlas Dow, Paulus, genuinely positioning at 356 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Star Atlas Dow cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Star Atlas Dow especially be somewhat worth in 2024 in a for the most part significant manner? Is Star Atlas Dow a sort of wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2024 in a sort of large manner? Will Paulus cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is genuinely huge? These in every way that really matters are our Star Atlas Dow cost expectations for Paulus's future in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas Dow, Paulus, Value Expectation 2024, as per the Star Atlas Dow Estimate Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024, the Paulus cost by and large is supposed to truly cross a kind of normal value level of $0.6157, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Star Atlas Dow, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to explicitly be $0.5993. Besides, Paulus can in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.6913, which basically is very critical. Star Atlas Dow, Paulus, Value Expectation January 2024. Concerning January 2024, Star Atlas Dow cost generally is estimate to arrive at a least cost of $0.3951, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Paulus cost could basically arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.4445, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.4322, or so they essentially thought. Paulus Value Gauge February 2024. Concerning February 2024, Star Atlas Dow essentially is supposed to truly arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.4289 in a significant manner. The Paulus cost could sort of arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.4661, with the really normal cost around $0.4495, showing how besides Paulus can for the most part arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.6913, or so they explicitly thought. Star Atlas Dow, Paulus, Value Expectation Walk 2024. Concerning Walk 2024, Star Atlas Dow cost by and large is gauged to especially arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $0.4424, or so they truly thought. The Paulus cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.4886, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.4630, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas Dow, Paulus, Value Figure April 2024. The Star Atlas Dow, Paulus, cost for April 2024 may in a real sense arrive at a really least worth of $0.4558, while the truly greatest gauge cost certainly is around $0.5071, which generally is very huge. The genuinely normal cost for Paulus especially is anticipated to reach $0.4722 in April 2024, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Paulus Value Figure May 2024. The Star Atlas Dow gauge for May 2024 expects that the policy may basically arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.5260, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.4699, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Discussing the very normal value policy can especially stretch around $0.4864 for May, or so they truly thought. Star Atlas Dow, policy, value expectation June 2024. The cost for Star Atlas Dow in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.4845 and $0.5503 in an unobtrusive manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.5010, which is very huge. Star Atlas Dow, policy, value expectation July 2024. The cost for Star Atlas Dow in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.4904 and $0.5704. While in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.5110. Star Atlas Dow, policy, value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Star Atlas Dow cost truly is estimate to truly arrive at the least cost of $0.5150 in an unpretentious manner. The policy cost could really arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.5959, with the typical expected cost around $0.5314. Policy value gauge September 2024. The Star Atlas Dow conjecture for September 2024 expects that the policy may especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.6172, with a by and large least cost of around $0.5321, which generally is genuinely huge. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value policy can generally stretch around $0.5527 for September, which certainly is very critical. Policy value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas Dow explicitly is gauged to explicitly be at around a sort of least worth of $0.5528, which basically is very critical. The Star Atlas Dow value worth can sort of arrive at a really limit of $0.6448, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.5693 in United States dollars, which is very critical. Star Atlas Dow value estimate November 2024. The exceptionally normal cost of Star Atlas Dow, policy, could go to $0.5920 toward the finish of November 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Policy could truly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.6676, with the especially least expected cost of $0.5756, or so they really thought. Policy value conjecture December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Star Atlas Dow essentially is supposed to generally arrive at any rate value worth of $0.59